So you got yourself the GoPro Hero 12 Black and you're wondering how to format the memory card here in the GoPro. It's really quite simple to do, so let's dive into it. So here from the main screen, if we swipe up from the bottom, you'll see all of your footage. And one thing I want to mention is all of this footage will be deleted when you format the memory card. So make sure it is backed up before you do this process. Now from the main screen here, what we're going to do is swipe down from the top. So we're going to swipe down like this, and this will take us into the quick settings. And then we can swipe from right to left and we should see the preferences option right there. We can go ahead and tap on preferences and that'll load right up. Now here in preferences, we're gonna slide down or swipe down all the way to the bottom and you should see the reset option right there. You can go ahead and tap on that. And then you'll see the format SD card right there as well. You can go ahead and tap on that. And it's gonna say format SD card, delete all files and reformat your SD card. So again, make sure all of your files are backed up before you do this because you will lose everything. If you're good to go, just go ahead and hit format and it's gonna start formatting that SD card for you. We'll let that do its thing. And of course, if there's a lot of files on there, it'll definitely take a little bit longer than if there's a smaller amount. Once it's done, it'll just pop back out and it is done. You can see there's no more files on there. The formatting is complete and you are all set. And it's really that simple to format the SD card here on your GoPro Hero 12 Black.